Sketch the locus of a complex number z satisfying the conditions shown here. The distance from 2i, add the distance from 3 minus 2i is equal to 5. So z minus 2i, that's the distance from the point 0, 2 on an argon diagram. And z take away 3 minus 2i means that we need to go to 3, negative 2. So it's saying that we have a point z such that the distance from here added to the distance from here is equal to 5. But note, to go between these 2 points is 3 across and 4 down. So using Pythagoras' theorem, the distance between the 2 points is 5. So any point on the line between them will satisfy that. This distance here plus this distance here would be equal to 5. So we just want the line between the 2 points. We now want to describe the locus of this equation. So let's let z be equal to x plus I, y. And then what we have is z plus I is going to be x plus y plus 1 I. So it's just x plus I, y plus I. And then just factorize the imaginary part. And then here we want the conjugate of z plus I. Well, z plus I is the contents of the other bracket, and the conjugate of that is going to be x minus y plus 1 I, and that's equal to 2. If we expand out, we can make use of the difference of perfect squares, and so it's just going to be x squared plus y plus 1 squared is equal to 2. And that is a circle. The centre is at 0, negative 1 on an argon diagram, so we would say z equals I, and the radius is root 2. The sketch of the locus of a complex number z has been shown below. Write equations or inequalities in terms of z without using x is real z or y is im z for the indicated locus. Okay, so the circular part should be straightforward. The centre there is at 1, 1. So we can say z take away 1 plus I. And the radius is 2. So the distance of z from 1 plus I is equal to 2. But we don't have the whole circle. There's a cutout. And note these are included points because they're filled in. Now what we could do is take an angle from this point. So we can say arg of z take away 1 plus I. And this angle here and this angle here are cut out, which means that we want to go from this angle down here around to this angle. So that is going to be greater than or equal to negative pi by 2 and less than or equal to pi.